से और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ eClerx stock alert Q3 result bonus issue and proposal this week stock in focus on Jan 28. eClerx Service Limited, a large cap BPO company, has notified stock exchange that its board of director will meet on the Wednesday, January 28, 2026, to review and approve the company unaudited financial result for the third quarter and 9 months ended December 31, 2025. As a result, eClerx Service Limited is likely to be in the news before January 28. The board will consider a proposal to issue bonus equity shares in the addition to approving the Q3 financial year 2026 financial performance. The company has reaffirmed that the trading window for eClerx securities closed as of the January 1, 2026 and will reopen 48 hours after the financial result and the board meeting outcome are announced on January 28, 2026. In order to avoid the insider trading, this is the consistent with the company internet code of conduct on Thursday, January 29, 2026 from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. IST eClerx will have the earning performance call after the release of its Q3 financial year 2026 result. Managing Director and the Group CEO Kapil, Jain, and the Chief Financial Officer Srinivasan Nadadhur will lead the result conference. Meanwhile, the eClerx Service Limited has announced the extinguishment of the 6.225 lakhs equity share following the successful completion of the share buyback through the tender offer route. Prior of the buyback, and eClerx had in the authorized share capital of the 10 crore equity share which remained unchanged. The buyback and process officially ended on the January 7, 2026 after the extinguishment was the finished. 6,25,000 fully paid up early shares having a face value of dash 10 apiece and were part of the buyback. The company issued the payback equity shares capital dropped from the 4,76,000. The buyback has resulted in the marginally increase in a promoter shareholding, which rose from 53.81% to 54.52% post buyback. eClerx Service started that the buyback was completed at a price of 4,800 per equity share, offering the eligible shareholder an opportunity to tender their shares during the buyback window. About the eClerx Service, which it is the headquarters located in Mumbai, India. eClerx Service Limited is the global Indian IT consulting and outsourcing firm, the Anjan Malik and PD Mondra, founded in 2000, and it is the specialized in the data analysis, the automation and the business process management (BPM) for the Fortune 2000 company worldwide.